Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your trusty Dell Latitude. Specifically, we're looking at the OWC 16GB DDR4 2133 MHz SODIMM, designed for the E5270, E5470, and E5570 models. If you're finding your Latitude is starting to lag, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications, more RAM is often the answer. This OWC module offers a straightforward way to boost performance without breaking the bank. This is a 16GB stick operating at 2133 MHz with a PC4-17000 rating. It's a CL15 module running at a low voltage of 1.2 V. This is important as it ensures compatibility and efficient power consumption for your laptop. It's also a 260-pin SODIMM, the standard for laptops, and it's non-ECC, which is typical for consumer-grade machines like the Latitude series. The installation process is generally simple. Consult your Dell Latitude service manual for specific instructions, but usually it involves removing the bottom panel, locating the RAM slots, and carefully inserting the new module. Make sure you properly ground yourself before touching any internal components to avoid static discharge. Once installed, you should notice a significant improvement in responsiveness. Programs will load faster, multitasking will be smoother, and you'll experience fewer slowdowns overall. This upgrade is particularly beneficial if you frequently work with large files, run multiple applications simultaneously, or use virtual machines. OWC is a reputable brand known for producing high-quality memory modules, and this DDR4 RAM is no exception. It's designed to meet or exceed industry standards, ensuring reliability and longevity. Before purchasing, double-check your specific Dell Latitude model's RAM compatibility. While this module is designed for the E5270, E5470, and E5570, it's always best to confirm. Also, consider the maximum RAM capacity supported by your laptop. In conclusion, the OWC 16GB DDR4 2133 MHz SODIMM is a worthwhile upgrade for Dell Latitude E5270, E5470, and E5570 owners looking to improve performance and extend the lifespan of their machines. It's easy to install, reliable, and offers a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.